Are you ready to find the perfect camera without breaking the bank? Or maybe you are dreaming of pro-level gear that pushes creative boundaries. Whatever your needs or budget, this video is for you. Welcome to Alt Buzz, your ultimate destination for all things tech and photography. Today, we are diving into a hand-picked list of the best cameras of 2025. From beginner-friendly options to cutting-edge professional tools, we will explore them all. Stick around, because the camera of your dreams might be just a few minutes away. Finding the perfect camera is not just about the specs. It is about finding the right fit for your needs, your skill level, and yes, your budget. That is why today we are walking you through the best cameras for 2025. Organized by budget and designed to suit everyone from hobbyists to seasoned pros. If you are as excited as we are, take a moment to hit that subscribe button and join the Alt Buzz community. Also, be sure to stay till the end because the professional-grade cameras will blow your mind. Now, let us get started. Budget-friendly options. Unleash your inner photographer. For those just starting their photography journey, it is easy to feel overwhelmed. But here's the good news. You do not need to spend a fortune to capture stunning shots. Let us explore 3 entry-level cameras that strike the perfect balance between price and performance. At first, we have Canon EOS R100. This little powerhouse is designed with beginners in mind. The Canon EOS R100 features a 24.1 megapixels APS-C sensor, dual-pixel autofocus, and a compact, lightweight design. With its user-friendly controls and robust autofocus, it is perfect for casual shooters who want high-quality images without the complexity. Its 4K video recording ensures you can experiment with vlogging or creative video projects. And, priced at around $479, it is hard to beat for entry-level value. Are you a beginner looking for reliable image quality and ease of use? The Canon EOS R100 might be your best bet. Looking for speed and precision? Enter the Nikon Z8. With a 20.9 megapixels APS-C sensor and advanced hybrid autofocus, this camera ensures your shots are sharp and detailed. It is also capable of shooting up to 30 frames per second, which is amazing for action or wildlife photography. Its 4K 60 frames per second video and tilting touchscreen make it a great choice for content creators who love flexibility. And at approximately $909, it is ideal for those who are ready to step up their game. Want a camera that balances portability, power, and price? The Nikon Z8 could be calling your name. Last, we have Fujifilm X-T32. Fujifilm has a reputation for delivering both style and substance. The X-T32 is no exception. This retro-style camera features a 26.1 megapixels APS-C X-Trans sensor, which is perfect for stunning, vibrant colors. It is also loaded with advanced video capabilities like 4K 30 frames per second video and F-Log Gamma for cinematic looks. With built-in film simulations, it is ideal for photographers who love experimenting with creative styles. Price? Around $899, making it a great mid-tier option for beginners with a bit more to spend. Love creativity and classic aesthetics? The Fujifilm X-T32 is a dream come true. Mid-range marvels, step up your game. Ready to take things to the next level? Mid-range cameras offer enhanced performance, better build quality, and advanced features that unlock new creative possibilities. Let us dive into 3 standout options. The Canon EOS R10 is a versatile workhorse that combines a 24.2 megapixels APS-C sensor with the powerful Digic X processor. Its 15 frames per second mechanical shutter and 23 frames per second electronic shooting make it ideal for sports and action. Add in 4K 60 frames per second video and a fully articulating screen, and you have a camera built for both photography and vlogging. Priced at $979, it is a fantastic choice for serious enthusiasts. Want versatility for action, video, and stills? The Canon EOS R10 might be your perfect match. For those who crave premium quality and a compact design, the Leica Deluxe 8 is a standout. This camera features a 17 megapixels 4/3 sensor paired with a high-quality Leica lens. Its zoom range, equivalent to 24 to 75 millimeters, is perfect for everyday photography. With its ultra-bright aperture and Leica Photos app connectivity, this camera is ideal for travelers and lifestyle photographers. At $1,595, it brings legendary Leica quality within reach. Looking for premium build and stunning image quality in a portable package? The Leica Deluxe 8 delivers. Lastly, the Sony A6700. This 26 megapixels APS-C camera combines lightning-fast autofocus with AI-driven subject tracking. Whether you are capturing wildlife or filming dynamic action, its 11 frames per second burst shooting and 4K 120 frames per second video provide endless creative potential. Priced at approximately $1,399, it is the perfect tool for intermediate photographers looking to expand their skill set. Need cutting-edge video and AI features? The Sony A6700 is a no-brainer. Professional powerhouses for the discerning photographer. When it comes to professional-grade cameras, the stakes are high. These cameras are designed for photographers and videographers who demand the absolute best. From cutting-edge technology to unparalleled performance, these tools redefine what's possible in the world of imaging. Let's dive into three standout models in this category. The Canon EOS R5 Mark II is the latest iteration of Canon's flagship mirrorless line, and it is nothing short of a technological marvel. At the heart of this camera lies a 45 megapixel full-frame CMOS sensor, delivering jaw-dropping resolution and dynamic range. Whether you're capturing intricate details in a landscape or the fine texture of a portrait, this sensor ensures every nuance is preserved. Paired with dual Digic-X processors, the R5 Mark II is lightning fast. It can shoot continuously at up to 30 frames per second, ensuring you never miss the perfect shot, even during high-speed action. Its autofocus system is a masterpiece, featuring 1,053 autofocus points and dual-pixel CMOS AF2 technology. This ensures razor-sharp focus, even in challenging lighting conditions or when tracking fast-moving subjects. Video capabilities are equally impressive, with support for 8K recording at up to 60 frames per second. Canon has also included advanced in-body stabilization, enabling smooth handheld shooting even at slower shutter speeds. The 3.2-inch vari-angle touchscreen LCD adds flexibility, allowing you to shoot from virtually any angle. With Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth connectivity, transferring files and remote shooting are seamless. Battery life is respectable at approximately 490 shots per charge, making it reliable for extended shoots. Released in August 2024, the R5 Mark II is priced at approximately $4,300 for the body only. It is a serious investment, but one that delivers unmatched performance. The Nikon Z8 is another heavyweight contender in the professional-grade category. Known as the Mini Z9, this camera packs flagship-level performance into a compact and lightweight design, making it 30% smaller than the Z9. The Z8 is equipped with a 45.7 megapixel stacked CMOS sensor, delivering exceptional image quality and dynamic range. This camera shines in versatility. It supports 8.3K video at 60 frames per second in NRAW and 4.1K at 60 frames per second in ProRes RAW. Videographers will appreciate its ability to record 8K at 30 frames per second or 4K at 120 frames per second internally with 10-bit color depth, offering unparalleled flexibility in post-production. For stills, the Z8 boasts blackout-free real-time viewing in its electronic viewfinder and supports burst shooting at up to 20 frames per second in RAW or 30 frames per second in JPEG. Its autofocus system features 493 points with AI-based subject detection, ensuring precise focus no matter the scenario. The Z8 also incorporates a 3.2-inch 4-axis tilting touchscreen LCD, making it easy to compose shots from difficult angles. Released in May 2023, this camera is priced at around $3,999 for the body only, making it an attractive option for professionals seeking top-tier performance in a portable form factor. The Sony Alpha 1 Mark II, often referred to as the A1 II, is a powerhouse that pushes the boundaries of what a professional camera can achieve. At its core is a 50-megapixel, full-frame stacked BSI CMOS sensor, which produces stunningly detailed images with remarkable color accuracy and dynamic range. Whether you're shooting high-resolution stills or cinematic video, this camera excels in every department. What sets the A1 II apart is its advanced AI tracking system, which includes human pose estimation for pinpoint accuracy in dynamic scenarios. This makes it a dream for sports and wildlife photographers. Its continuous shooting capabilities are equally impressive, with up to 30 frames per second with autofocus and auto exposure tracking. Videographers will marvel at the camera's ability to shoot 8K video at 30 frames per second and 4K at 120 frames per second with 10-bit depth. Its 8.5-stop in-body stabilization, combined with dynamic stabilization, ensures smooth footage even in the most challenging shooting conditions. Additional features include a stunning 9.44 million dot electronic viewfinder with a refresh rate of 240 frames per second and a 3.2-inch 4-axis touchscreen LCD. Connectivity is top-notch, with support for 5 GHz MIMO Wi-Fi and 2.5G base T Ethernet for fast data transfer. Released last month in November 2024, the Alpha 1 Mark II is priced at approximately $6,499 for the body only. It is undoubtedly a premium option, but for those who demand nothing but the best, this camera delivers in every way. So there you have it, the best cameras for every budget in 2025. Whether you're a beginner just starting out, an enthusiast looking to level up, or a professional seeking perfection, there's a camera here for you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Alt Buzz for more in-depth reviews, rumors, and comparisons. Also, consider sending us a super thanks to support the channel and join our membership for exclusive content and perks. Lastly, let us know in the comments which camera you're planning to get. And hey, happy shooting!